feed the main bean. Vamos a darle comida al contenedor principal. I haven't looked at this in a while, so who knows what surprises I'm gonna find. Bunch of worms here. Worm there, some worms over here. Yeah, there's a bunch of worms everywhere actually. Hay un montón. Yeah, a lot of them are laying eggs. Creo que un montón de estos están poniendo huevo. This is the bottle. Let's check the bottle, how it is, huh? My feeder bottle. You can see it has worms already inside. Tiene gusanos adentro. So this system works, huh? Some people don't like it because it's plastic, but este sistema funciona. A alguna gente no le gusta porque dicen que porque es plástico, but you're not gonna leave the bottle here forever. So they're still eating that, and I put the bottle there like a month ago. Puse esa botella ahí como hace un mes y todavía se están comiendo lo que tiene adentro. So there. Couple of baby worms right there. Bunch of baby worms actually. Gusano bebé. Good. And I'm gonna tell you something, huh? I don't add a lot of liquid. I don't have problems with things being super wet, like a lot of people are having that issue. Ya un montón de gente tiene ese problema de que tiene problemas de humedad en los recipientes. Just don't give it a lot of food. No le des tanta comida. ¿Ah? Find the rate, I guess, and add a lot of paper also. Yo también añado un montón de papel. As you can see, try the paper everywhere. And yeah, I haven't had issues with I had them at the beginning. Al comienzo tuve problemas con eso, con la humedad. Then I learned from that mistake. And it's doing good now. Okay. Good. Yeah, there was a bunch of food here. I put a bunch of food here. I had a bunch of frozen food, and it's all gone. So we're just gonna add these spring rolls that I did the other day. They're frozen, so they don't stink. And they have all sorts of shit. And they actually smell like shit when I make them, so fuck, they're so cold. Okay, so one is there. I'm gonna put all this shit. Yeah, they stink already. One over there. Put one here, this corner. and one here by the bottle, and that's it. For the first time, for primera vez, I'm gonna also add some of these eggshells. I don't know how much am I supposed to throw in there, but I guess that's enough. Also gonna add some coffee, un poco de café. Like that. Also take the little paper bag, the filter. Voy a sacar el filtro también. Right in there. That's it. That's for now. That should have at least one more week, por lo menos una semana más de comida. Okay. Vale, nos vemos. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Ciao.